Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Dear students, till now we have done in my previous video, I taught you about the angles of a triangle. Now, let us start with Unit 7 of your NCERT book, that is triangles. So, what do we mean by triangle? Dear students, a triangle is a three-sided figure having three sides and three angles. So there are total six dimensions of a triangle. What are these six dimensions? Three sides and three angles. So because it has three sides and three angles, a triangle is classified on the basis of sides as well as angles. So on the basis of sides, a triangle is of three types: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Scalene triangle, in which all the three sides are of different length. Isosceles triangle, in which any two sides are equal, and equilateral triangle, in which all the three sides are equal. This is on the basis of sides, and similarly a triangle can be classified on the basis of angles also, like the acute triangle, right triangle, obtuse triangle. Acute triangle, in which all the three angles are less than 90 degree. Right angle triangle, in which out of three angles any one angle is 90 degree, and obtuse triangle, in which out of the three angles if one angle is greater than 90 degree, then it is termed as obtuse triangle, obtuse angled triangle. So dear students, we will study the triangles on the basis of sides as well as angles. Remember, we will study these six dimensions. Now our next topic is congruency. Now dear students, let me explain you what do you mean by congruent triangles. Now we have a triangle ABC and PQR. Let us first of all discuss all the six dimensions of this triangle: three sides and three angles, right? So the name of the three sides of this triangle is AB. First side is AB, second is BC, and third is CA or AC, right? Similarly, the three sides of triangle PQR, PQ, comma QR, and third side is PR. PR. These are the three sides. Now similarly, if I want to take three angles, then first angle is angle A, angle B, angle C, and in this triangle the three angles are angle P, angle Q, and angle R. Now when do we say that the two triangles are congruent? Let me tell you, the sign of congruence is this equal to and a wave. तो ये होता है कॉन्ग्रुएंट का साइन, राइट? अब कब हम कहेंगे कि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं? व्हेन आउट ऑफ दीज सिक्स पार्ट्स, थ्री साइड्स एंड थ्री एंगल्स, जब इन सभी में से कोई भी तीन पार्ट इनके इक्वल हों. If out of the six parts, out of six dimensions, if out of six dimensions, if any three dimensions are equal, then we will call them as congruent triangles. Means या तो अब ये जो इक्वल का मतलब होता है, लाइक वी कैन हैव ए बी इज इक्वल टू, ए बी साइड इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू, बी सी इज इक्वल टू क्यू आर, एंड थर्ड साइड ए सी इज इक्वल टू पी आर. या तो तीन साइड्स इक्वल हों, या फिर एंगल भी हो सकते हैं. एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल पी, एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू क्यू, और एंगल C is equal to R. So means if out of these six parts any three dimensions are equal, then we call the two triangles congruent, राइट कोई भी तीन 6 के 6 इक्वल हों ज़रूरी नहीं है, कोई भी तीन इक्वल अगर हम शो कर देते हैं देन द ट्राइंगल बिकम्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट. उसके बाद जो रिमेनिंग 3 होंगे वो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होंगे, इक्वल मिल जाएंगे. बट नाउ वी हैव सर्टेन रूल्स, उन रूल्स के हिसाब से ये इक्वल होने चाहिए. राइट लाइक द रूल्स आर, वी हैव अ फर्स्ट रूल एज ट्रिपल एस रूल, then ASA rule, then SAS means if all the sides are equal, if any two angles and the side including them are equal, if two sides and an angle lying between them is equal, or we can take AAS rule means two angles and the next side. Then fifth rule is RHS. If out of these 5 rules कोई भी हम फॉलो कर लेते हैं, अगर तीनों साइड हैं तो हम बोलेंगे तीनों साइड अगर इक्वल हैं देन वी विल से दैट द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय ट्रिपल एस क्राइटेरिया. इफ टू एंगल्स लाइक बी एंगल इज इक्वल टू क्यू एंड सी इज इक्वल टू आर, तो इन बी और सी के बीच में साइड कौन सी है, बी सी, और क्यू और आर के बीच में क्यू आर, तो ये दोनों साइड इक्वल होनी चाहिए. देन वी विल से दैट द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट because of ASA property, similarly SAS. So in this way we will discuss all these things in the unit 7 triangles. So after this we will start with the theorem. So dear students, the chapter 7 triangles, first topic is congruence of triangles. I taught you if you will if you want to draw two congruent figures then their dimensions must be equal. Congruent means all the angles and all the sides must be equal, right? Can we say that these two squares are congruent? Yes, because in square each and every angle is always 90 degree and you can see their sides are also equal. Can we say that these two squares are congruent? No, their angles are 90 but the sides, this square has smaller side and this has bigger, so these are not congruent figures. So out of these figures also you can judge whether these two are congruent or not. See, let us check. 5 centimeter 5 centimeter means BC is equal to QR. 4 centimeter AC 4 centimeter PR means equal second side. Then BAAB is 4.5 and PQ is 4.5. Yes, we can say the two triangles are congruent by triple S rule, by side because we have used all the three sides. Can we say this is congruent? Yes, again 4, 5 and 4.5 centimeter, all these triangles are congruent to each other because there all the sides are equal, right? Now criteria for congruence of triangles. I told you the criterias. We have 5 criterias to prove the congruent, two triangles congruent. And first criteria we are going to introduce on page number 113, Axiom 7.1. SAS congruence means two sides must be equal. Like in these two triangles you can see side AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. 4 4 2 2. और A बीच में आ रहा है बेटा, तो A बीच में आने का मतलब होता है दोनों साइड को देखो, रूल के अंदर भी A इधर वाले एस को भी टच कर रहा है, इधर भी, तो ये एंगल जो है ये दोनों साइड को टच होना चाहिए. मीन्स इफ दीज टू साइड्स हैव टेकन, तो एंगल जो है देखो यहाँ भी टच हो रहा है, इसको भी. देन वी विल कॉल इट एज SAS क्राइटेरिया. So what is it says? Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle, I told you the angle must touch both the sides of one triangle are equal to the two sides and included triangle of other triangle, then the two triangles becomes congruent. After that, dear students, on next page, page number 115, we have theorem 7.1 which tells us about ASA congruence. Means two triangles are congruent if two angles, now डबल ए आ रहा है तो मीन्स दो एंगल और साइड उनके बीच वाली होनी चाहिए. मीन्स इफ आई एम टेकिंग दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल, तो इन दोनों एंगल को टच करने वाली साइड ये है, ना कि ये दोनों. So included side of one triangle are equal to the angles and the included side of other triangle. Then on page number 117 they are telling us about the third criteria, that is double AS. So double AS means two angles, like if I am taking this angle and this, then in the rule see side एक ही angle को touch कर रही है, तो ये इंक्लूडेड साइड नहीं इस बार लेंगे, या तो ये वाली साइड लेंगे बिकॉज इट इज़ टचिंग ओनली दिस एंगल, तो AAS, या फिर ये वाली साइड लेंगे AAS. So this is the third criteria. So 3 criterias are there: triple S, then SAS, then ASA, and now we have done AAS. So these are the rules which we are going to use in our first exercise. In our next video, we'll start with the 7.1 exercise. That's all for now. Thank you.